Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Let us continue the lesson in the kingdom of fools. In our previous session we came to know that in the kingdom of fools both king and minister were idiots. They made a new rules that people must work in the night time and they must sleep in the daytime. A guru and disciple came to that city and they found a strange thing that in the daytime they could not see any person walking in the street. When the evening time came, people started to came out of their houses and they started to do their works. It was very strange thing for Guru and disciple. Now let us continue the lesson. The two men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same, a single duddu. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a duddu. The Guru and his disciple were delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. See, two men were hungry. Okay, this Guru and disciple, they were hungry. Now that the shops were open, already shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. That's why they went to buy some groceries. Groceries means items of food sold in grocer's shop. So in order to buy some groceries, they went to grocer's shop. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same. For their astonishment, for their surprise, they found everything cost the same. Everything cost the same. See that. A single duddu. For everything they had to pay a single duddu. Okay, everything cost same there. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas. See here, measure of rice also same cost, a duddu, and a bunch of bananas also same cost. They had to pay just a duddu. It cost a duddu, just a duddu they had to pay. The Guru and his disciple were delighted. Seeing this, Guru and his disciple were delighted. They became very happy. They had never heard of anything like this. They had never heard of anything like this, and they had never seen anything like this earlier. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. So they could buy all the things they wanted for a rupee. Within a rupee they could buy all the required things. When they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools and it wouldn't be good idea for them to stay there. This is no place for us. Let us go, he said to his disciple. But disciple didn't want to leave the place. See here. When they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools. Then Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools. And it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. And he thought that that was not safe place for them. Okay, they should not stay in that place for a long time. This is no place for us. Let us go, he said to his disciple. So he said to his disciple, this is not place for us. This is not suitable place for us. Let us go. Let us leave this place. But disciple didn't want to leave the place. But disciple was not ready to leave that place. Everything was cheap here because everything was very cheap here. In a low cost, he could buy whatever he wanted. All he wanted was good, cheap food. Disciple, he wanted only good and cheap food. The Guru said, they are fools. This won't last very long, and you can't tell what they will do to you the next. See, the Guru, he is telling to his disciple, they are fools. These people are fools. This won't let you long. You can't tell what they will do to you next. What they are going to do to you next, you can't imagine because these are foolish fellows. Okay, they are very dangerous. That's why this place is not suitable place. Let us leave. Like this, Guru said to disciple. But the disciple wouldn't listen to Guru's wisdom. He wanted to stay. The Guru finally gave up and said, do what you want. I am going. He left. The disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day, bananas, ghee and rice and wheat, and grew fat like a street-side sacred bull. See here. But disciple wouldn't listen to Guru's wisdom. Wisdom means, see here, quality of having experience, knowledge, good judgment. Okay. That quality is called wisdom. Guru was advising his disciple to leave that place, but this disciple was not ready to listen the words of Guru. He did not understand the wisdom of Guru. He wanted to stay. He just wanted to stay in that place. The Guru finally gave up and said, do what you want. I am going. At last, Guru said, do what you want. I am going. I am leaving this place. And left. He left that place. The disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day. Yes, disciple stayed in that city, in the kingdom of fools, and ate his fill every day. He used to eat stomach full every day. He ate bananas and geese and rice and wheat and grew fat like street side sacred bull. Okay, he used to eat all those things every day and he grew fat like street side sacred bull. Okay, he grew like street side sacred bull. He became very fat. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.